Callum, and this is a review for treestuff.com on the Exotica RockO wire keeper carabiner. So this is the exact same as the RockO without the wire keeper. Only thing is that it has the wire keeper, which just means, say I'm connecting it onto a pulley or something, open it up, chuck the pulley in there, then I can put the wire eye there, and the pulley is going to stay around there, and when I want to clip it onto something, the gate's going to be always where I want to clip. So that's one of the good uses of the wire eye. One problem is though that if the item manages to pull out of the wire eye, you're then loading that wire eye incorrectly, and you're possibly cross-loading the carabiner, which isn't good. I found this carabiner to be really durable. I haven't had to throw one of these out yet. I haven't had it wear through like other ones, or start to wear down on rope or get super chipped. It's a pull down and twist style lock, which some people say is more ergonomic and natural. I don't really mind it to the DMM ones, which are a push up. It is a little bit more of a straight down and turn rather than the twisting and turning at the same time. No big deal, just a little bit different. But yeah, that's the RockO wire eye.